Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So, in this lesson we are going to carry on with the machine gun script and we're going to begin getting the code in place that's actually going to enable us to use these different settings. So, I'm actually going to begin by creating some more variables. So public bool, these can actually be private, but I'm going to do them public to begin with, so when we come to testing we can see them in the inspector. I'm going to say underscore single shot selected, and we'll make that equal to false. In the comments, defines if single shot is selected. We'll just copy that line, paste it in twice more. And of course, we're going to change it out for the other naming conventions. So underscore semi-automatic selected. We'll change it in the comments as well, and next one, fully automatic. And again in the comments, and we'll create a public int underscore bullets per setting. We'll close that line off into the comments, creates variable to store the bullets that can be fired at once. Public int, and we'll just say, let's say single shot. Let's give this a naming convention of bullets per press. Into the comments, defines the single shot bullets per button press. And just like before, we'll copy, we'll paste that in twice more. And again, we'll change one to semi-automatic and one to fully automatic. And again, we'll tidy up and change the comments. Okay, with that in place, let's come down to the void start. I'm going to put mine here. So single shot bullets per press, obviously that's going to equal 1. So let's get that one in first. And I'll just put set to equal 1. Just copy and paste that naming convention in. Now for the semi-automatic bullets per press, I'm going to make that mine equal to, I think I'll make mine equal to 3. Obviously you may want to have a different value. And finally we'll do the fully automatic bullets per press. Now what we're going to do, we're going to say equals, but we're not going to give a value as such. We're going to say int 32 dot, and we want max value. So let's get this into the comments. Set to equal an int max value. So it's the closest way to do sort of an infinity amount. It's not quite infinity, we can't actually use an infinity symbol, but this will work just fine. So I've just started the project, gone through it, and as you can see we have single shot bullets per press 1, semi-automatic is 3. Now you see the int 32 max value here. So as I said, it's not an infinity setting, but it's the closest thing we can have. And I thought this will be good because no doubt all of you will have different amounts per clip for your machine gun. Some of you may be holding more ammo than I have mine set to. So doing it this way should suit everybody. So with that said, let's come beneath and we're going to say _mg, and we want the settings counter to equal. Now I'm going to set mine to equal 2, and that's because I want, when you have the machine gun, to be set to fully automatic to begin with. Again, some of you may not want that. You may want to set it to a different value. Just remember it applies to these strings here. So I'm using 2, which is fully automatic. Remember, the first one has a value of 0. So just remember that when, if you want to give it a different setting. So I'll put that in the comments on startup. Just copy and paste that in. Underscore selected setting is going to be equal to the _mg setting. Square brackets _mg settings counter. Let's close that off into the comments. Set, we'll just copy and paste selected setting to equal the settings counter. Obviously we need to set the balls, so fully automatic selected is going to be equal to true in my case. Again, if you've set yours to a different value, you will, if you've set it to semi-automatic, obviously it's going to be false, so just be aware of that. And I'll just put in the comments again on startup. Let's paste that in. I'll just copy and paste that in twice. Again, we're going to change semi-automatic selected, false, and it's going to be false here also. single shot selected. And again, let's just switch those out in the comments. We'll just tidy up the comments also. And we'll come here, we're going to say underscore bullets per setting is going to equal the fully automatic, and that should be buttons per press, sorry. Fully automatic bullets per press. Again, you'll need to change that if you're using a different setting. But let's just copy and paste those in. And I think that's a good place. We'll save it off there. We'll continue this in the next video. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.